Chubbs. Let's go see what Zach's up to. Zach, what are you doing, man? I don't have time for this.
Watching SpongeBob. You ready?
Let's get going, bro.
All right, man. We had a long trip. We're heading out to North Carolina. We got like an 8-hour trip. 6:30 in the morning, so let's get going.
Let's go, boys.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Turn up the
8 hours later.
Flip that switch and that's full traction control off. Like, oh, it's coming around quick. He's got one of those for you. Yeah, mine has a little
8 hours later, we finally arrive.
It'll still lock it.
How's your ass feel, buddy?
Fucking hurts.
There she is. First spin in it, Shane.
It's got a little more. It's actually has sprayed with wood. It made 287 wheels. On stock motor, that's good power. Turbo and E85, you get 500. It's got drone.
1 hour later.
Get him, James, get him. Oh.
I don't think he even knows how to downshift. Come on, James, drop a gear and disappear.
The guy in the Mustang must have just thought it was like a pickup truck passing him or something. He didn't even fucking acknowledge him.
Yeah.
Why do you own a Mustang if you ain't even gonna acknowledge a cool car beside you?
Oh, that's nasty.